a little while ago we had the Singles Day sale, so I decided to pick up this little thing, and it's a Wowstick 1F, and I'm planning on using it to build some stuff, so I thought we might just have a little look at it. So let's do a unboxing on this. So here we have it, the Wowstick 1F. It's a Wowstick with some accessories, and it has like 64 bits and stuff, and it was surprisingly cheap. And it has a really nice name, really nice. So let's get this open. Oh. Oh, this is a screw pad. Green. Yeah. And is it magnetic? Oh yes. It is. This could be useful. So let's get this thing. This is supposed to be an accessory case. Magnetic one. Cool. Let's leave that there. Okay. This, we have a base. For it. Wonder if this is also magnetic. No, it's just heavy, pretty heavy. Toolbox, suction cup, charge cable, and it's just a mini B. Magnetizer. This is a little spudger, and a little jar with screws. Fun. And now we have these. Get one last. So this is why I bought this, because it had basically all the bits. There are more basic versions with just one of these, but yeah. This is cool. Has a bunch of bits. These are mostly a few hex, slot, and cross. And some of these are very, very tiny. Like this one, this thing. Like, not even sure you can focus on this thing. But it's, I don't know, maybe a millimeter in thickness. And this hex, I don't think it's a millimeter. It's more of just a point. But it is a hex. I think it's on here. The H07, so it's 0.7 millimeters. That can be useful. Can put this in here. the bits group number 2. And this one has, oh, this one has some really weird ones. There's a hex, a few other slot and cross. What's that? This is just a round one. I guess this is for like the when you need to push something, like a push pin. And these really weird ones has cut out. I think these are like some security bits. What more? There's a bunch of like triangular and square ones. Oh yeah, these ones are extra long. So yeah. Let's check this one out. It's interesting that the second one had a X3, first one X1, and this one has an X2, even though it's the third one. This one has a lot of torques and security torques, and some tri-wing stuff. Oh, some pentastar things. I had this in another screw to it, but basically the tip is is a penta. It has 5 lobes instead of 6, which is what Torx have. So that's strange. Oh, and this is just a bar. I guess it's a hex. And these tri-wings are funky too. They're not really that useful, but I guess it's used as security bits. So, that one. And finally we have the Wowstick itself. Let's see now. Let's take one of this little bits out. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find something to screw, so be right back. Okay, let's see if you can pull out some of these screws. Oh yeah. That's cool, and then screw it back in. You can even use it as a screwdriver, like manually, for tightening the last bit. So, yeah. I think this was a really good purchase. I mean, what did it cost me? Like $30 at most. But that was on a sale. So yeah, the Wowstick. I think that's recommended. I'm gonna build my next car. So here's a little hint of things to come. It's gonna be fun. But other than that, subscribe if you want. Otherwise, have a nice day.